Today I will show you how the Learner portal is working, so you can of course watch back the recordings from the lessons and access your PowerPoint materials. So here we are. So that looks a bit from the student's perspective, because I have also an administrator portal. So here you see all the courses, right? So let's say you enrolled, for example, for the Dutch Bootcamp Level A2. You click on it. Here you can see your progress, an outline, and you can also write a review. So what you think about the lessons. Here you can see the program, so you can read it. And here, when you click on the outline, you see all the lessons. So here, for example, we have 8 lessons. Usually the last lesson is the final test. You get also a certificate later. The first lesson you see here, PowerPoint materials. You see a recording, another recording that's more a summary, and an assignment. So here, when you click on assignment, you can do your homework. So let's start with the PowerPoint. We click on it. So here you can see all the materials, right? So you can click next, and you can follow slide after slide. Okay, so that was it for today.